Christopher Wilson, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Andromo Easy Start menu and method to start creating your apps. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, if you have Andromo, fine, but if you don't have it, go ahead, you can go to one of my videos. Matter of fact, you may be on one of my videos as of now, but just go ahead and click that first link, start the free course. You're gonna be taken to this page right here, my landing page. Look at this premiere video, and once you look at the video, go ahead and enter your email and sign up. Matter of fact, I'll go ahead and practice that real quick. Let's try that one. And then click Get Instant Access. Then you're going to sign up with Google or either Facebook. It's your choice. Actually, I'm going to sign in. We're not going to sign up, but we're going to sign in. And I'm going to use this account right here. And okay, once you're signed up, okay, yeah, that's my projects. Okay. Now, what you're going to do is just go up here to the top left corner, click Easy Start. What that's going to do is going to load some pre-populated templates that you can go ahead and get started easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, as I heard one guy say. Okay. Look, you got your spiritual, you got your wallpapers, your sounds and ringtones, recipe, inspire, music, fashion, education, and news. Let's just say we want to put up a news app. Kind of like my breaking news, okay? Or like my wallpapers app. You know, the templates give you a head start on that. So let's go to wallpapers first. Okay. Then we're going to click build this app. It's going to make a tip. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, yeah. You got to put a name for it first. Wait a minute. Forgot my keyboard here. IE wallpapers. Okay. Oops. Okay. Then it's going to say build this app, and it's going to pre-populate the activities that you're going to use. Okay. It should. Did it do it? Maybe not. Okay, you know what? Maybe I have to go to, because it should have built it. Let's see. I tell you what, I'm going to log out and get into my other account. Okay, I logged into one of my other Andromo accounts, and we're going to try it again. Easy Start. Then your templates are going to show up. Type the name. Let's try sounds and ringtones. Let's try that one. We're going to make a sounds and ringtones. And going to put a name. Sample ringtones. Whatever it may be. Oops. Okay. Build this app. Then you're going to get the message saying your app is now building. And it's going to give you a brief tutorial right here. You can go through this if you want, or you can skip it. But I'm going to tell you, things about the app preview over here, of course. App activities, of course. Okay. Then it's going to show you your activity. Oh, activity name. Yeah, lion. Okay. Okay. Activity content, which we know these are MP3 files. And theme, how to customize your theme. Okay. And finish. All right. So go through that quick tutorial if you're not familiar with Andromo, if it's your first time. But we've got the app. Basically, they're showing you what fields you're going to need or what activities you're going to need. Basically, all of these are audio players, right? So let's go ahead and lion. And there's an idea for a soundboard, right? Okay. Then from there, you know, you go to your activities, your theme. Okay. Let me get to the settings. No, not the settings. What I want the global style. What am I looking for? Settings. Okay. No. Hold on. Okay. I want to edit this activity. Let's just say. Okay. Content. All right. Now, here are your two lion tracks, audio tracks. Let's test them. Okay. So, let's test number 2 real quick. All right. Perfect soundboard idea. Okay. Now, all you do, you can continue on this, or you know, you can set up on your own whatever ringtone or soundboard you want. Basically, you add the audio track. I'm kind of going too far on this, but title, description, upload your file, or you can stream from a URL like Dropbox, something like that. Either way, and there you have it. So that's just showing you the easy start. Let's go back to easy start. You got wallpapers, you got recipe. If you want to make a recipe app, there you go. Build this app. Recipe 2, okay, build this app. It's going to show you all the activities that you need to use. And of course, you can use more activities to your liking. But these are custom pages, okay? Let's take a look at them. Okay, content. There it is. That's your activity. I mean, that's your custom page. Custom page. Basically, you know, you can copy and paste it in here, and that's your fish recipe. Okay. Now I don't know why it's not showing how it's going to look on here, but yeah. So anyway, that's using the Easy Start menu. Christopher Wilson, the mobile app mogul. Take care. Remember to hit that thumbs up. This video will be part of the playlist. It may be number 1 actually, so you can go ahead and quick start your app building endeavors. So I'll talk to you soon. Take care. God bless.